Okay guys, kule video ngizolitshengisa ukusebenzisa uBetway. So soqala ngocreate i-account first and then sengizolitshengisa nokuthi u25 bonus abalinikeza wona libasebenzisa kanjani. So if sasemusha ku-betting industry, Betway is the best online betting site here in South Africa, which has over 7 million monthly users. That's according to SimilarWeb. And they also offer a variety of betting markets that include soccer, rugby, tennis, and there's also live games, which are roulette, blackjack, and you can also bet lucky numbers that include South African Lotto, UK 49S, and also Ghost Lotto. Alright, and then on top of that, Betway, they've made their betting site data free, so which means you can access their site with no data complete. So yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good reason why you should move to Betway. So yeah, let's go ahead and then get started. So the first thing, I'm gonna open Google Chrome, and then go Google Chrome type betway.datafree.co. Okay, izokuvulela kanje. So osukwenza manje ukuchaya usign up. Alright, ngemva kokuchaya usign up izokhiphela kanje lapho kumele ufake i-mobile number yakho kunye ne-password, first name, surname and then email. Okay, so lapho uzofaka ama-details ayiwona wakho. Then okunye okuqakathekileyo kulapho ekuthiwa I have a sign up code. So uzoshaya lapho and then izothi sign up code optional. Then lapho uzobhala mahala. Alright, you are doing this ukuthi sitshele uBetway ukuthi sifuna that 25 rand mahala after uku-register. So after that lapho kuthiwa referral code uzoshiya kunjalo, don't put anything, and then bese ushaya next. Alright, after some few minutes you'll receive an SMS from Betway that will come with a code which says OTP. Okay, so that OTP code is like a token which represents your 25 rand bonus. So let me close that and then show you how you can load that token into Betway. Okay, now sengivulile iBetway account yami. Okay, as you can see, so kunemali phakathi sengifakile. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do, kumele uze lapha ku menu, and then I'm sure where uzotshengisa kanje, and then you click lapha ku account, and then scroll down and then click here where it says vouchers, and then bese we are enter OTP code or ithole ku Betway through SMS. Okay, after that ushaya or redeem, and then the 25 rand free bet yakho izovela under free bet. Okay, ukuthi ubuyele emuva uqale ukudlala ama games, so kumele uze lapha ukuthi khona sports. Okay, ziningi indlela ongasebenzisa ukuthi ubone ama sports ongawadlala. So the first thing, you can click where here it says league, and then locate a league oyifunayo. So for an example, I'm looking for Champions League game final where PSG is going to be playing against Bayern Munich. So I'll come over here where it says international clubs, and then tick Champions League, and then I'll hit apply. Okay, it's gonna take a moment to load. Alright, I can see that's the game that I'm looking for, PSG versus Bayern Munich. So if I think Bayern Munich is going to win this game, I will click here in top of Bayern Munich. Alright, here in the top right of my screen, you can see where it says Betslip. There is that one with a rounded yellow circle. So if I click on top of Betslip, it's gonna show me that I have chosen Bayern Munich as the winner of the game. Alright, so if unayo i-free bet yakho engu 25 rand, phansi lapha kuzabe kunokuthiwa bet with your free bet, but now just that I have an account already anginayo i-free bet, but mawunayo uzobe ukhona okuthiwa bet with free bet, yikho lapho uzoshaya khona. Alright, so for now engingakwenza, if I'm certain ukuthi izowina i-Bayern Munich, lapha okuthi khona stake amount, yikho lapho engichoose khona ukuthi ngifuna ukudlala ngemalini, kanjalo kanjalo. Then if I'm certain ngemali engifuna ukuyidlala, sengizothi bet now, and then I have to make sure ukuthi I accept ama odds changes kungekhona lokho, and then keep bets in Betslip, and then sengizoshaya ubet now. So yeah, iyo-ke leyo indlela yokusebenzisa uBetway. Okay, then ku-next video ngizobe senginitshengisa ukuthi udlala kanjani i-accumulator, udlala kanjani amanye ama-options afana le-BTS, i-first 10 minutes draw, lamanye nje ama-odds ajwayelekileyo. Thank you. So ungahlola kule video elandelayo, and then the most important thing, ngiyakucela ukuthi if you enjoyed this video, make sure uyalike or uyasubscribe so that ngiqhubeke ngenza amanye ama-videos are good. Thank you.